So how is PGP different than like the PKI we talked about? Well, a PKI is a whole infrastructure. It's all the applications, the certificate authority, the registration authority, the necessary protocols, software. It's a whole infrastructure. And the PGP, it's an actual email client. It's a crypto system within itself. Now, within enterprise versions, you can have a key generator and everything outside of CISSP. So with PGP, one big difference is that you personally can decide how much you trust somebody else. Because remember, in a PKI, it's a hierarchical trust, and everybody trusts that CA. In PGP, it's called a web of trust. So you determine how much you trust somebody else. So let's say that you send over, because it uses certificates. It uses digital certificates, but not the same ones as PKI. So you send over your PGP digital certificate to me. What's kind of neat is that it has what's called a fingerprint on the digital certificate. And basically they're just words like tree, banana, stone, dog. And I can call you and say, hey, what's the fingerprint of the digital certificate you just sent over to me? And you'll list those words. I know that that came from you. And then there's actually like the sliding scale on the configuration of the email client of how much trust you want to put into this certificate. So let's say I know you, I trust you very well, and I put the highest level. So I fully trust you and fully trust this certificate. Now what that means is that somebody else may want to send their certificate to me. I don't know who they are. I'm not sure if I'm going to trust them or not. But if you digitally sign their certificate and I trust you, you're vouching for their identity. So I'll accept their certificate. So in this web of trust, again, it's up to the users on how much trust is going to be assigned to the certificates. In a PKI, it's decided for you. You trust one CA or more than one CA, and nobody trusts each other. Everybody trusts the CA, and the CA vouches for everybody's identity.